Hey there. Tax season got you puzzled about dividend income and capital gains? Filing taxes on your Schwab investments is straightforward when you use their consolidated tax form. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to handle it. Each January, Schwab provides a consolidated Form 1099 in the Tax Documents section of your account. This single form reports all taxable activity, dividends, interest, capital gains from sales, and more. You'll transfer the numbers from this form to the corresponding schedules on your tax return, e.g., Schedule D for capital gains, Schedule B for interest and dividends. My crucial pro tip? Always wait for your final 1099. Schwab, like all brokers, issues a preliminary 1099 in late January. Wait for the final version, available by mid-February, before filing your taxes. This ensures all corrected information, like cost basis adjustments, is included, preventing an amended return. That's how you accurately report your investment income to the IRS. Do you use tax software that automatically imports your 1099 data, or do you enter it manually? Share your method in the comments. If tax guides make your life easier, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.